What's up, you guys? So I haven't really been able to record a lot while I've been here, and there's a long story behind that, but today is the day that I'm going shark diving. So I wanted to make sure I did a little vlog about, at least about this part, because this is the part that I've been really excited for. So what's happening today is there wasn't enough people to do the shark dive like from this resort, so we have to actually get on a bus. The bus is going to take us to another part of the island, and then we have to take a boat from there. And it's been raining pretty bad here, so I'm not gonna take this camera because we're on an open-faced boat, and I really don't want this camera to get waterlogged because I'd be a little upset about that. But I'm gonna be doing the rest of this vlog on the GoPro, and then editing it, uploading it. But so we are diving with Caribbean reef sharks. They're a pretty docile species. It's just me, Evan, and Jarrell, and I'll introduce you to them in just a second. We're leaving in like, I don't know what time it is. It's not 9:37, it's 7:37. My phone won't like change the time, but we're leaving in like 20 minutes, so I'll talk to you guys then. Alright, so this is Jarrell. He's famous, I guess. Somehow, some way.
Google me.
And there's Evan. These are the two crazy kids that I'm gonna go dive some sharks with.
All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again.
So this is the Cocoa View shark dive. Or what is this? The Roatan shark dive. I'm here with Jarrell right here. Yeah, we're gonna be good.
You're supposed to have the camera
Michaela.
at me.
Did you make them again? Choices you made, did you make them again?
All the choices you made, did you make them again?
Did you make them again?